Hi everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. I'm Arianne and I'm going to show you how to do the behind the legs toss, which looks like this. So to begin the trick, I think there are a couple little good tricks to know, which is going to be a big J where you're swinging the star on the wall plane from the outside in and then up, just like this. And a couple other good tricks to know are going to be a forward vertical single beat figure 8. So for this trick, we're going to start with a big J in our dominant hand, swinging from the outside in, and then we're going to go right into a penguin catch, where we're going to catch the star around 6 or 7 o'clock with our palm facing outward and our thumb facing down. So we're just going to start by doing this. When I'm ending, my knuckles are facing forward. And the next part of this trick, we're going to go right into the forward figure 8. So big J, penguin toss, forward figure 8. And when I'm doing that drop, I'm opening up my arm and then going into it like that. So from the penguin catch, roll your wrist open and back and then go right into the forward figure 8. So the next part of this trick is we're gonna get down on that beat when we're in the forward figure 8 and then wait for the gravity of the star to drop down, and then we're gonna use the gravity to fling up the star on the other side of our legs. When you're bending down to throw behind your knees, I think it's helpful to lean a little bit more forward than sideways, although it looks like you're leaning pretty far sideways. So just to put it all together, we're gonna do the big J, penguin toss, forward figure 8, and then up. This is a really cool trick to know. You can go into lots of other different tricks. One of the simple ones is just going into a reverse figure 8 on the other side, so like this. You can also do something kind of like go into it like that. There's lots of different ways to connect this trick, but it's a really fun one to know. So I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. I'm Arianne, and we will see you next week.